We got the new Razor 500 quad electric 36 volt. Bought this off of Amazon for $700. Christmas gift for my 3-year-old son. He's already rode it Christmas Day. You know, had fun with it already. So I just want to go over a few things, man. Takes 12 hours to charge it up. So when you first get it, you got to put on the charger for 12 hours straight. And then you're pretty much ready to go. Only thing I had to do when I unboxed it was the handlebars were down, you know, hanging down, and this was loose. So you just had to loosen this up a little bit more, pull the handlebars straight up, and tighten it back down. So that's all I had to do. Fix the handlebars, tighten it down, and charge it for 12 hours, and it's ready to ride. So my son's gonna get on here in a minute and take it for a ride right now around the yard to show y'all how it performs. Seems like it rides pretty good. It's got good power. Only thing I see wrong with it is it doesn't have no suspension in the front, so it's really bumpy. Really bumpy. It sounds like a freaking, I don't know, a steel frame with no supports and nothing. There's one in the back, one shock in the back, but it needs some in the front for sure. But anyhow, other than that, it's pretty good. It's been good so far. So he's gonna get on now and take it for a ride. The tires ain't got no traction on them whatsoever. Tires came pretty bald. I don't know if it's like that on purpose or what, but there's not deep treads on the tires, as you can see. It just spins out, especially when the grass is wet. But actually it's kind of good because you can kind of whip it around a little bit better. The fact that it slides a lot more, especially if you turn real hard and hit the gas hard, it kind of burns out and slides a little bit. Go full speed. Stop riding in circles around me. Go ride. You're riding in circles around me. Go all the way down, come all the way back. This dude gonna go all the way around the house. Y'all see how bumpy it is? I don't know if y'all can hear it, but look how bumpy this joint is. Super bumpy. It would have been nice if they would have put some nice suspension on there. I think it would have been 10 times better. Nice smooth ride. I would say the power is pretty good on it. I thought it was gonna be a little bit faster, but I mean, it's enough for him. For beginner riders, it's a good starting quad before they move up to the gas power. And they can get used to the turning and the maneuvering and everything, shifting your weight. It's supposed to last, the battery's supposed to last 60 minutes, so 1 hour of ride time, supposedly. I guess it depends on how hard you're riding it too. We haven't rode it long enough to see how long it actually lasts. It's been too cold out really to ride it for a long period of time. Come back this way. Come back this way. Dylan. Dylan. Park it real quick. Park it. All right, get off, please. So here you go. This is it right here. That's all you got. On, off. This is on. That's off. Your charging port is right here. So you just slide that. You can slide it either way. Here's your twist throttle, and it just shows you that you got 36 volts, and it's either full or low, and it's a twist throttle. You just twist it and go. It has one front brake, or actually back brake, sorry. There's the brake right there, disc brake. So you got one brake here, and that's all you got. That's it. That's pretty much it. And the charger just looks like this. You just plug it in. There's the charging port, and it'll let you know when it's fully charged. That's it. He's off again riding. So just want to do a quick review on this little quad here. Since it's on Amazon, a lot of people probably buy them for their kids. I was a little unsure about it at first, but I just wanted to get him something for Christmas, so I picked that up real quick. Because I really want to get him a gas power one, but he don't need much. He'll have fun on anything, so it's this for now until he'll ride it till the wheels fall off. Then we'll get him something different. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, ask me any questions you want to ask. Also, one last thing. To change the battery, you're supposed to lift it up like this. It's a little tray right here that you can open up. You pull these tabs, and your battery comes down like so, and you take this off, and you'll be able to swap the battery. So it's got like a little battery clamp, almost as if a car does. So that's your battery right there. Just pull those in, lock them in place, and that's it. I mean, ain't nothing to this thing.